Good day, my love stones. I am back with another tutorial. This time today I will be showing you how I achieved this 350 color. As you can see in the video for these mermaid knotlets, I have had a lot of you all asking me how did I achieve this color, so today I am here to show you. So we went from black to 350. Right now you want to section your hair into 4 sections, and before the client combs you want to make sure that they are combed thoroughly, because if you apply the dye to hair that has not been combed, it will be a very hard process and you will have a lot of breakage. So you want to make sure you part each hair in 4 sections, and make sure you wear gloves whenever you're applying color because the dye will eat your skin up. Okay, so right now you want to start from the ends. You would do this all over first before you start applying closer to the scalp, because as we all know that the scalp do hold heat, so you always want to apply from the ends and then work your way to the scalp. Make sure you have clamshell to keep all the extra hair out the way in the time being, and also make sure before coloring you may want to do a consultation, because some people have previous colors in their hair and you want to make sure that you're not over processing their hair whenever they come to get a coloring service. I would say you also would want to let them know, do not do any scratching or any washing of the hair, at least less irritation to the scalp as much as possible, because whenever you're bleaching your hair, it can really burn your scalp, and it will not be a comfortable service. Like, you will be burning, like, and it'll almost be to a point to where like you will really need to hurry up and wash it out. So we want to make sure that this color takes really well in the client's head. As you can see, it's beginning to change. I did have to go in and turn my air down because I felt like it was too cold in the salon. So I feel like whenever you're highlighting hair, it comes out better like when it's, of course, heat, when it's more warm. So I did go in and I pushed my air up. Right now I am applying her bleach to the roots, and I'm gonna go back and make sure I work that bleach in thoroughly, because you don't want to have any dark spots to the scalp. So it's almost like applying a relaxer, except for we're applying color. Y'all heard that sound? If you haven't already, I need you to subscribe to my channel, and I need you to smash that like button, and I need you to share this video with your favorite stylist on this color, because y'all, it's a hot girl summer. Okay, y'all, it's time to put this cap on her head. We're gonna set her under the dryer for a few, because as you can see, it's already really turning, and now this is the color that it turned out to be. The ends were dark because, of course, like I said, we always want to start from the ends to the root. So the ends were dark, but y'all have to trust the process, because baby, this color is about to be fire. So right now I am going in with the 350 color and I'm applying it to her bleach hair. So with this, what I did before I started applying this color, I sat her under the dryer to dry it out some, because I don't know how it would turn out if you apply it while it's wet. So I applied it while her hair was dry. I'm going to work that through thoroughly, and then after I work this through, I'm going to set her under the dryer again for about a good 15 minutes to make sure that that color stains on her bleach hair. All the pretty girls involved with me, making pretty love to me, pretty, pity. Oh, I can't feel a thing, can't feel a thing, can't feel a thing, can't feel it. I can't feel it. No, we can't. I can't feel it. No, we can't for the pain. I can't feel I rinsed the color out, so now I'm paddle brushing through so we can get this hair blow dried. Y'all, this color is everything. Keep watching.
You never should have ever been true. Girl, I know you're 22 and you've seen something that you never should have been exposed to. Yeah, who I got protect you when you feel you are in danger. You know I feel no new man, you know I'm not stranger. You want to know what you're comfortable. You want to believe it, you're comfortable. I know, no. I know, I can't let you go. I know. This is saga thing, was a pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. This is saga thing, was a pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it.
Her hair has gotten so much thicker, y'all. She has been using my Stone Cold drops in her hair. Right now, I'm applying the braid to prep her for tomorrow for her mermaid knotless. So I just go ahead and just braid it down to just make sure everything stays clean, flat, and fresh out the way.
She fight the tape, no win this cat, nigga can't even see me on win. She fight a flight, nigga win this cat. She fight a flight, run away out of here. She fight a flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Hermes ash for the dark, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter and ain't never me the swaggin'. Secure the bag, got a bitch, I'm a begging. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Parking 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Making no mud, I made out of the sewer.
Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. She didn't want to show her face on camera, but y'all see the braids. But so I use the BW2 powder by Clairol. I also use the Adore Cajun Spice Paprika 72 by Adore, and I use my 30 Clairol to lift her hair. Alright y'all, so it's now time to get into these edges. So what I do is I take a cloth and I wet it really good, and I go in and I clean all the product up off the edges to make a clean curl. And then you then want to go in with the blow dryer and blow dry the edges dry.
We would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited?
So it's all dry now. You're ready to put your little curls on the edges. Sometimes I flip my curls up, sometimes down. It really doesn't matter. It's just the curl really doesn't matter what type of curl you do whenever you're laying edges. So I'll just take my edge control and I'll just start doing her edges. Y'all make sure y'all using the tip of the edge brush whenever you're doing those edges, because it really comes in handy when you're using the tip of the edge brush.
Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item.
Alright y'all, this is the final look. I am so in love with these mermaid knotless braids.
Shit you was spitting so
Thanks for watching. Until next time, I love stones.